Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I am super excited for this video because I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. I already saw the sneak peek, so I'm pretty excited about this month's box, but I have not looked inside yet just because I was trying to actually wait and do a true unboxing since I'm not going to be applying the products on my face today. Sometimes I do a try on, but it's kind of later in the month, so I just want to go ahead and get this video up before it becomes kind of irrelevant. But I'm super excited about this month's box. I do receive Boxycharm as PR, just want to throw that out there, and I do have an affiliate link with them down below. If you sign up through it, I do receive a small commission. In case you are curious to try Boxycharm, it is $21 a month, and I think normally it's worth it. Normally there's at least 1 or 2 items in each box that I really love, so let's just go ahead and jump on in. Although actually I will say I noticed that this month's box is a little bit of a different shape. It's a little longer and not as wide, so I think that's cool that they're going, I'm guessing they're going to be doing different box shapes, and that kind of works out so that they can not be limited on the product size if they do, you know, different smaller boxes. I don't know, I thought that was interesting. It's the first one that I've received that was different. So let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so I'm not gonna look at everything yet. I'm just gonna pull items out one by one. So starting off, we have the Glamglow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Looks to be a face makeup removal is what it says. Condition, deep cleanse. Kind of sounds like whenever you see like conditioner and stuff or conditioning, it sounds like it's going to be for the hair, but it is a face wash from what I can see here. I'm pretty excited about this. It says it's fragrance free. I haven't really tried much from Glamglow except for like a mask, like sample mask of theirs, but I am always down for another like face cleanser, and this looks humongous. So here's what it looks like. It is a really good size cleanser. It has 5 ounces of product in it, so I'm sure that this is full size, and I'm definitely excited to go ahead and give it a go. It says it retails for $28. Alright, next in the box is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and this is the shade Talk is Chic. I feel like this is kind of a miracle because I actually do not own this shade, and I'll show you real quick. You can see the Dose of Color lipstick love is real. Let me just go out of here. Obviously, I love my Dose of Colors lippies. That's not even all of them, so it's a miracle to get a color that I don't already have. This looks to be like a little bit of a deeper pink shade. This retails for $18, and Dose of Colors is cruelty free. Oh yeah, it's like a deep pink, which honestly, for some reason recently I've been getting more into wearing pinks, so I will give this a go. And here, let me just swatch it for you guys real quick. Oh yeah, it's like a really deep berry pink. I really don't have very many liquid lipsticks in this type of shade, so I feel like this actually is adding to my collection. I think I have maybe one that's a little bit more bright. This looks a little deeper, so it looks really pretty. Very excited about that. Okay, next we have the Ciate Eye Luster Creme eyeshadow, which looks like this. This retails for $22, and I believe Ciate is cruelty free. I have no idea anything, I don't know anything about this product. Ooh, that color. It looks like a purple gold iridescent shade, and I am all about liquid shadows. What color are you? Does it say? Does the box say what color? Okay, it says Cupid. Wow, that like just took me away. I was not expecting to see such a beautiful shade. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that is so pretty. Okay, I recently, actually, I don't think that video is up on my channel yet, but I talked about the shade Ballsy in the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. Is one of my favorite shadows from that palette because it's just like this beautiful purple gold. I feel like this is that shadow in liquid form, except like way more intense and glittery. That is beautiful. Very excited to try that out. Alright, next is the Mello Brow Definer. This retails for $18, and Mello Cosmetics is cruelty free. I don't think I'm going to use this or open it up just because I don't really do well with universal brow products. Being a redhead, I feel like normally the shades are not meant for me. It does have, it seems like it's going to be like the Anastasia definer on one side and then a spoolie on the other. I actually have a ton of Mello Cosmetics brow products because they sent me a PR package forever ago of like their entire line. It was pretty crazy, and I still use like their brow powder sometimes, but I just don't see myself using this, so I don't want to open it or anything and waste it, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway pile. Alright, the last thing that is in the box today is the Alomar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. I am so excited. I believe for this box it was either between getting this blush trio or getting some type of product from Milk Makeup, which I would have been excited to try because I have never tried anything from Milk Makeup, but I really wanted this palette so bad. This is one of those items where I'm like, whenever my low buy is done, I was planning on purchasing this just because I think it is so beautiful. So I was so beyond excited when I saw this was sneak peeked for Boxycharm this month. Did I already say that it retails for $22? I don't know if I did, but it does, and it is cruelty free, so I think that's awesome. Everything in my box this month was cruelty free, which I appreciate. It's not always like that, but I appreciate when it is. So let's see, this is the shade Medium Tan. Definitely would have gone for the fair if I bought it myself, which maybe I'll still have to end up getting that, but I think some of the shades in here look beautiful as well. So let me just open this up. Alright, so here's what it looks like on the inside. So beautiful. I am so excited to use these. There is a little sheet covering the mirror. I feel like the mirror actually looks pretty nice. I'm going to be traveling next month, so I think I'm definitely going to be bringing this with me just because it looks so beautiful, and I love Alomar as a brand, so I'm excited. So it looks like there is like a really good variety here. There's like a really true peachy shade, a coral, and then a pink tone. So I think this looks really pretty. I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it. I don't even want to swatch it because it just looks so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to do it. So I just barely swatched it because I'm like, don't even want to mess it up. It's just so pretty. So there's the 3 shades. Like I said, I got medium tan, but I think I can definitely probably make this work for me. I think that these shades would be beautiful on a medium tan skin tone, but yeah, that's probably going to be able to be sheared out a little bit. That looks like my kind of blush formula. Ooh, those look so pretty. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't wear blush today or put any blush today on specifically because I was hoping that this would be in the box. I was just guessing and just praying. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this shade Toasted. Oh, okay, that looks more pigmented when I pick it up with the brush. Just gonna blend that on my cheeks. I mean, I definitely have to play with it to give my full thoughts and stuff, but I'm so excited to own it and use it. I love blush up palettes. Honestly, I feel like this has been my favorite Boxycharm box yet, and definitely worth the $21 that it retails for. The blush palette is a win for me. Even though it's not the shade I would have picked, I still think it's really beautiful, and it seems to be nice quality. I'm so excited because I love the brand. I know maybe not everyone would be as excited to receive blushes, but I was just over the moon about this product. I feel like if you're receiving Boxycharm and you have skin and you wear makeup, you can definitely use a face cleanser. So I am excited to use this and test it out, and it doesn't have any fragrance, which I appreciate because it's, you know, it's going to so many people. It's good that it's probably going to be a little bit better for sensitive skin because it doesn't have any fragrance in it. So I am very excited to use this, and it is a pretty well-known brand, which is exciting. Very excited about the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick because I love the formula. It is my favorite, and I don't own this shade, and it dried down so beautiful. Like, it looks like a really deep pink. I'm so excited. You can definitely see this on my channel coming soon. And then the liquid shadow, of course I have to try it. I have to try it on my eye to see if it creases or cracks or anything, but the shade, like, I am blown away. It is so beautiful. I don't have any liquid shadows in a shade like this, which is also pretty crazy. You're not gonna be able to see, are you? No, you're not. I have a full drawer of liquid shadows because I'm obsessed with them. So very excited about this as well. The only thing I was a little about is the brow definer, which doesn't really, I mean, brows aren't really fun to me. I just use the same product every single day, so I think that's definitely personal preference, but overall the box is completely worth it to me, and everything was cruelty free this month. Let me just go ahead and calculate all of the prices together to tell you. Alright, so this month's box is $108. If I took away the definer, it would still be $90 of product that I am definitely going to be using. So really love this month's box, and I'm excited about everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely let me know down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.